In this video, I will show you how to bet on 1xBet. Before we continue, make sure to create a professional 1xBet account by clicking on Register. You can choose any registration method that suits you, for example, the email registration option. Simply fill in your personal details, and in the promo code section, enter BUTV. Using this code will give you a 300% bonus on your first deposit. For instance, if you deposit 1,000, you'll receive a total of 4,000 in your 1xBet account. Now, let's get back to the video. First, open your 1xBet app and scroll down a little until you see the top live game section. Select one of the games you'd like. For example, I clicked on the one labeled W1 on the left side. After you click and choose a game, you'll see the betting options. Here you can type in the amount you want to bet. It's completely your choice. Once you've entered the amount, simply click the BET button and you're all set. However, when it comes to betting, there are always some important points to consider to ensure a safe, responsible, and rewarding experience. Here are a few things you should keep in mind. 1. Verified legality in your country. 2. Protect your account with strong security. 3. Understand the terms and conditions. 4. Manage your bankroll wisely. 5. Use reliable payment methods. That's pretty much everything you need to know. I hope you learned something new with me today in this video. Thank you.